Hello guys, this is Paul Okoroya. You're welcome to my another tutorial for today. Right, so today we're going to be creating this wall clock right in our Adobe After Effects. So let's get started. So first, I open my After Effects. All right, this is a project I was working on already. So let me just go straight and open a new composition. Okay. All right, so if you watch very well, I downloaded this picture. In fact, this is just how it is. What I did is to bring the picture to Photoshop, then separate them, edit them. You can see I've already worked on this. If you open here, you can see all of this. Let's see all of them. So I've done that. Then I saved it. All right. So what I'll do now is let's go back to the project. All right. So what I'll do, let's first create a new solid layer. You can make it white, or anyone can go. We don't even need a solid layer on this because we already have the background. All right, so what we'll do next is to bring in the wall clock we edited in Photoshop. Okay. All right, so let's look for it here. I think okay, look at it here, clock chair. That's what I saved it as. All right, so okay, okay. So next thing I'll do is to let me bring in this. I don't think we need this. Let's delete this solid layer. So let's bring in this. Okay. All right. So next thing I will do first, I want to delete this because I'm going to work with each of these as a separate layer. So let me remove it from here. Then come back to this comp. Let's change this comp to wall clock. Go to composition setting. Let's call it wall clock. Okay. All right. So next thing I'll do now, I want to scale this thing up to. I want it to fill the screen. So let's scale it up. All right. Okay. So having done that, the next thing I'll do, let's go back to this our clock layer. You know, when you import a Photoshop and you import it as a composition, it creates layer for each of the comes as a layer for each of the design we had. Okay, so this I grouped. If you can remember, you saw that I grouped this in Photoshop. So they are the ones I'm going to bring in now. Okay, so let's put it on top of this. Can you see it? So probably I'll just scale it to maybe like let's just say 115. Let me just scale it up a little. Maybe we can still go higher. 120. Okay. All right. So next thing I will do now is to animate the clock. So first, what I will do, I think this first group is for the clock. Let me go here. Okay, this is all of them. So I just want the numbers to appear differently. So I'll start with 1. This is 1. Then at 5 frame, let the next appear. This is this. Right, so let's go back to our wall clock. You can see. Huh? So let this one also start with So let's just shift it to start from 5 frame. Okay. So as this one is ending, maybe from here. Okay, maybe from here. Let's go to this other group. Because the background is black, let's just add a solid layer to this. So I can see our distance. But we'll still remove it, we'll still delete it. Okay. All right. So what we'll do here now is to, first of all, I will change the anchor point of all of this. I want them to start from this point. So for this one, for this first one, let's bring the anchor point. All right. So what I will do now is from this point now, I want all of them to scale from 0 to where they are now. So let's open our scale button for each. Let's say at 1 minute or 1 second, sorry. Let them scale from 0 to this. So with this, let me use a keyframe. Okay. All right. So next thing I will do now is to, actually don't want all of them to appear at the same time. So let this one come first. So let this one come first, followed by this. Let this one come down. This one come, followed by this, followed by this, followed by this. Okay. So this is what we have. Okay. So now, let me disable this. So let's go back to our work clock. So let's see what we have so far. So let's play. Okay. So the next thing we'll do now is to animate this clock. Okay. All right. So this is our long one, and this is our short one. So what I'm going to do now is I want this thing to start counting from this long one. I want it to start from 12. So let me just rotate it more to start from 12. All right, so you enable your keyframe. I think 12 should be around here. Okay, all right. For every 1 second, we want this to go to 1. So we want this to shift to the next number, like this, it should be 1. I think it's too much. Maybe adjust it. All right. Sorry, let's remove this background. Okay, so that's what we have so far. maybe what we can do is to pre-compose all of this. Highlight all, go to pre-compose, save first. So let's go to pre-compose. Okay. So what I will do, let me open the position and the scale. So I can allow this in as it's coming. Maybe from here, let's scale. Okay. All right, so that's it for today on this tutorial. I believe you've been able to learn one or two things. So if you're joining us for the first time, please do well to like, share, and send us a comment on what you think about our tutorial. And probably if you have a tutorial you want us to talk about, please do well to put it on the comment section and we'll talk about it. Till I see you again, thank you and God bless you.